This YouTuber grew his channel from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in less than a week and even got monetized. Today, he is sitting at 50,000 subscribers with only 12 uploads, running this channel from the comfort of his own home. And the best part, it's completely faceless. I wanted to know how he did it, so I watched every single video, analyzed everything from his editing, thumbnails, script, and so much more to really understand the secret of his strategy. Today, I'm going to be breaking down how he applies this winning formula, exposing everything that I possibly can so you can replicate the same style and hopefully achieve similar results. The first thing I noticed was how good he was at getting my attention, which means he was probably good at getting others as well. Your title and thumbnail is what gets people to click, but most importantly, the idea itself has to be interesting or something people would want to watch. The reason his channel has become so successful in just a matter of few months is because he has mastered the art of triggering curiosity in his audience. When you see a title like this, "How I've made 500k from faceless Instagram accounts," how can anyone resist that? Everyone wants to make money, and what better way to make money than using AI? So the title itself creates curiosity and a desire to learn how this was achieved. According to scientific research, humans are inherently curious beings. But why is this so significant? Because curiosity is a powerful emotion that often drives people to pursue something. With that being said, he is being out of the ordinary interesting, and combined with a highly clickable thumbnail, this is bound to go viral. This leads me to my next observation. What if I told you that you've been lied to? Yes, all this time, other creators would tell you that you need a clear call to action, and that asking people to subscribe actually converts to more subscribers. Well, this isn't true. All his videos are related to each other, which creates a funnel for his audience, essentially keeping them watching video to video. Allow me to explain. His videos are all based on making money online with content creation while combining the use of artificial intelligence. So when someone clicks to watch something, let's say the one I mentioned earlier, when they finish watching that video, instead of asking them to subscribe, he leads them on to watch his previous pieces of content to learn more. So if someone is interested in making money with content creation, they will most likely be interested in learning how he got 35 million views on YouTube Shorts, how to create a faceless Instagram side hustle, and even how he got monetized with only 5 uploads. All of these videos make you wonder how he achieved this great success, because you know that results like these took months and years for other people. So it makes you question, how has he done it in such a short period of time? Because of this strategy, when a viewer watches his video, they end up binge watching his entire channel, which massively boosts the performance of his content overall. The reason for this lies in the most important metric on YouTube, which is audience retention. When YouTube sees that this creator is keeping people on the platform longer, they push out his content even more, and then the same thing happens all over again. More people will binge watch all his other videos, and this will create this momentum loop. So when one video goes viral, this actually helps all his other videos gain more views. After that, the viewer will subscribe on his own because of the amount of value he's been given, not because you asked him to. Just look at your entire subscription list and ask yourself, why am I subscribed to these channels? And you'll know the answer. However, now that he's got your attention, how does he keep it? The second you click on the video, he doesn't waste a second. Right away, he delivers on the promise of the title or the main reason that got you to click. There's absolutely no clickbait. All of the things he said, he has actually accomplished them. The answer to the question is very simple. The hook is strong and fast-paced, diving straight into what you asked for. But the editing is even better. Digital Income Project fills his videos with visual effects and has subtitles almost throughout his entire video. He changes the image or what's shown on the screen every 3 to 7 seconds. Motion graphics, sound design, high-quality audio, and high-quality effects is what makes his video stand out. It's unique and no one has the same style, which is why in his comment section, you will find people begging to learn how. Well, I've actually figured it out. I figured out where he gets all his assets from and how you can edit just like him. The only problem is that it can cost you a lot of money to get all these assets, but what if I told you I have a fix for that as well? You can get them all for a fraction of the price that he paid. To make videos like all these faceless YouTubers, N8 Wealth, Super Prime, Digital Income Project, you would get them from websites like Envato Elements and using softwares like After Effects. This would cost you a lot of money each month, but I've got them all for $9, and certain things I've even got them for free. In my Discord server, I've explained how you can do the same and even left a promotional code that will allow you to edit like these creators for even cheaper. So don't fall into the trap and don't overpay for all these assets. In fact, if you're looking for completely free ones, you can use websites like Pexels and even just YouTube to download green screens and other sound effects. Everything will be in the description below. But don't go anywhere yet. Each step matters, which is why if you're still watching, then you're already ahead of 90% of people. Most people don't see the results simply because they're not persistent and they don't play the long game. Audience retention is not the only key metric, and it's not the only reason why he has seen so much success like other faceless creators. YouTube is asking you, is your video providing any of these? Is it providing value, entertainment, education, or knowledge? Because there's another important aspect, and that is viewers to like ratio, viewers to subscribers ratio, and viewers to comments ratio. If your video has 5,000 views but only 45 likes, then YouTube will most likely just stop pushing out that content since people are not engaging with it. Same thing with subscribers or comments. The average likes to view ratio is about 4%. This translates to 4 likes every 100 views. The average for subscribers is about 3 to 5 per 1000 views. To really put this into perspective, let's take a look at one of my previous videos which did the best on this channel. With 8,200 views and 180 subs gained, that's an average of 1 sub every 46 views. When you look at the likes, I have 463 likes, which means I received a like on my video every 18 watches. As you can see, I absolutely demolished this metric, which is why there was a sudden spike in view count. The only thing that held this video back was the pace. It was a little too fast, which slumped my retention. So in conclusion, what does this faceless creator do? He provides an insane amount of free value to his community, which makes it almost impossible for people to just watch and then move about their day. They will either leave a like or a comment showing their appreciation, or even better, asking questions because of how totally hooked they are on the idea or topic. When your video quality is on the same level as him, there's no doubt you will see similar results. If you want to learn how to edit like him and other faceless creators to get millions of views, then check out this video here.